All right, so I'm in the room here. Um, this is it. Pretty straightforward. I am on the fourth floor, and there's a indoor skydiving situation across the way. Um, so, so I'm in the dead center of the United States, um, right near the borderline. And anyhow, it's weird being in the United States because the sun is slightly different from. It feels slightly different anyway. I don't know if that's minor jet lag or what, but it feels slightly different the way the sun is positioned in the sky at what is actually 8 o'clock on the East Coast, but still like 7 p.m. here. It's still nice and bright. But anyhow, back home it gets dark around like 9 o'clock, 8:30, 8:30 ish. Um, so it's probably dark on the East Coast. But anyhow, that's just weird to me. Maybe I don't know, but quick video, show you guys my room. I ordered a Philly cheesesteak from a place called Chartreuse Caboose. So, Grubhub or DoorDash, one of those guys delivered it, and didn't take too long. They have some thing called tuxedo fries, which just basic French fries. But anyhow, they were good. They came with like some cheese sauce. But anyhow, that's it. Just want to give you a quick tour and show you my room and kind of document what's going on. Oh, let me show you guys the bathroom. It's kind of tucked away in the corner here. All right. Shower's pretty nice. Also, the soap was kind of minor, but it's got some little bumps on here. I thought that was kind of unique. All right, enough with the cheese. Talk to you guys later. Peace.